Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this homemade smoky Nigerian jollof rice. Here is our ingredients: some scotch bonnet, tomato paste, chicken, curry powder, salt, garlic, smoked paprika, thyme, chopped onions, fresh tomato mix. On here we have our dry bay leaves, nutmegs, seasoning cubes, and dried basil. We start by pouring the chicken in the pot, season it with some thyme, salt, add some seasoning cubes to taste, add a bit of curry powder, pour some chopped onions, and cover to steam. Halfway through, make sure you stir the pot, cover it to continue to steam. Just pour a bit of water just to get some of the juices out properly. Here we are going to line the chicken on a baking tray because we are going to grill the chicken. On another pot, we are going to put some oil, heat it up, add a bit of salt, add onions, fry it for like 1 or 2 minutes, add the tomato paste and fry for about 5 minutes. After that, we pour our blended tomato mix, stir it and continue to fry. Continue to stir it regularly just to avoid it burning. Now you can add your curry powder, your smoked paprika, ground nutmeg, dried basil, add some salt to taste, stir it very well and cover on low heat to continue to cook. Now we can add our chicken stock, stir it very well and cover it up as well. While the sauce is still cooking, we are going to wash our rice. Wash the rice until the water is clear. As you can see, the stew for the jollof rice is a bit too much for this rice. I'm going to remove some of them for another batch. Pour the washed rice, add your bay leaf, stir very well, add a bit of water just to cover the rice in the pot, and then stir to mix very well. Reduce the heat just so that the jollof rice can steam. That will stop it from burning. Check the rice to see when it's soft or tender. Stir the rice and then serve your homemade smoky jollof rice. The secret to this is your smoky paprika. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.